So the Apple Watch Ultra, 3 reasons I'm never going back to a normal Apple Watch. First one, battery life. It's changed the way I use my watch. It's more enjoyable because I don't have to keep on taking it off to charge it, and it's phenomenal. Easily 3 days of usage. I've had a subscriber comment on my straps video where I go all over the different straps. If you want to check that out, I'll link it up above. A subscriber said that he got up to 71 hours of battery life. Now, it's not supposed to get that much. We've got a 60-hour version coming soon in low power mode, and that isn't actually a feature yet, but to get 3 days out of this watch is brilliant. It got down to 19% about 2 o'clock in the afternoon when I got back from work. I went in the shower and I put it on charge, and that was on the 3rd day. Today is Wednesday, and the last time I charged the watch was Monday morning. So I'm just getting so much more battery out of it, and it just makes a difference. One, you don't have to worry about charging your watch so often. 2, you can wear it through the night, so you can use that sleep tracking feature, which I do like to use. Some people might not use it, but I like to have that sleep tracking information to find out my REM sleep, my core sleep, my deep sleep. It's really a really good app, and it gives you information on how you're feeling throughout the day. It gives you a update on your health as well. It gives you like an update of your sleep patterns and goals to hit for sleep, because sleep, let's be honest, is probably one of the most important things out there, and I don't get enough, so I want to keep track of that. So it's helped me do that as well. The battery life, brilliant, absolutely fantastic. I love having a longer battery life. It makes all the difference to me anyway. It's just an absolute killer feature. Design. Now, we've talked about the straps. I'm a fan of 2 of them. Not such a fan of the Ocean Band, I've got to admit, but the Trail Loop and the Alpine Loop, absolutely unbelievable. One thing you have to know about the Alpine Loop is you have to make sure you get the right size, because there have been some issues about this metal buckle banging on the back of the watch when you're taking it off. And that only happens if you've got the wrong size strap. So I've got the large strap here, my wrists are 185 centimeters, so I've got the large one, and when I take it off, it doesn't go all the way around and bang the strap. So it's just something to keep in mind. Otherwise, I love the fact it's rugged. I've got sort of a rugged job. It's quite manual. I like the fact that this is a titanium watch. It's got the sapphire glass on the top, and it's more protective. It's not going to get scratched, banged and scuffed around. It's still a good rugged watch, and it's going to be more protected in my manual job. The actual overall design just looks so nice. The design of this watch is beautiful. It's not too big, it's not too heavy, but having that bigger screen is a lot more intuitive for using the watch, swiping up and down, using the apps. It just feels like more of a mobile device on your wrist. I do like having that rather than having the curved edges. It makes it more of a smart watch. It feels very comfortable. Like I said, it's not too heavy at all. It's got a ceramic and titanium, so it's still light. The brightness of the screen as well is 2000 nits, so that's a lot easier to use in bright sunlight. If you do a lot of driving at night, you can turn always on display off in the app if you want to do that. The fact that it's 100-meter waterproof as well, everything about this, it's just built like a bomb. There's not a lot that's going to stop this watch from working, and that's what I love about it. Number 3, the special features it's got compared to the other Apple Watch. It's got the action button, which you can customize to any action. You can actually use the shortcut app as well on your phone to customize it to any action, any app, and that is brilliant. So I've got it set on workout. I just simply press the action button and it goes straight to my workout app. You can obviously use complications, and I used to do that on my old Series 6. I've got a complication for workout. It does take you straight to it, but I just love having the action button, and you can set it to torch. Anything that you can think of, you can set it and customize it to your heart's content. The fact that it's orange as well, I love that. It goes really well with the orange Alpine Loop. Just looks really sick. All the safety features as well. It's got that 86 decibel siren. You've got the SOS emergency calling. It's got satellite GPS, a lot stronger than other Apple Watches have had in the past. The all new designed compass app, which allows you to add waypoints to your walk. You can add where your car is, and then you can track back to that point. You'll never get lost because you've got that strong GPS via satellite. You've also got the fitness tracking if you're a runner. It tells you your workout zones now in the running app, and that is brilliant. I'm doing a lot more working out in the gym, so this isn't, again, it's brilliant for fitness tracking, and it's not going to get dinged about in the gym with the weights and stuff because it's nice and rugged. So all in all, I just don't see myself ever going back to a smaller watch. Some people prefer a smaller watch. I absolutely prefer the bigger design, more rugged, the built-in extra features it's got, and I just absolutely, as you can tell, love everything about this watch. And in my eyes, it's definitely worth the premium price, if not only for that battery life alone, in my eyes. So that is it. Those are the 3 reasons why I will never go back to a normal Apple Watch. I'm always going to stick to the Ultra line because I think the features it offers just far outweigh the cost. Okay, that's it for this video. Stay tuned, subscribe, give this video a like, make sure that algorithm knows that you like this video. I'm going to be doing future videos on the Apple Watch Ultra. I'll keep you updated as the months go by with my use and my feelings and everything about this watch. So yeah, stay tuned, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. But that's it for this one. I absolutely love the Apple Watch Ultra.